Hello guys, we will see together how to install Java on Ubuntu 20.04. So let's start. Let's follow this command. The first thing we will do is to search for OpenJDK. So let's copy and open terminal. And this command will return the list of Java available. So choose any version which you need to install, like 8 or 11 or 14. So I will choose the 8. So I will copy the second command and let's paste. And yes, I want to continue. And after that you will have a Java installed on your PC. So please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and comment. So waiting for the installation. And the installation is finished. So let's check the version. So we can clear and check version now. Sorry, just one. So Java version, and now this is Java installed. I mean the version 8. It is installed now, and that's all. So thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye and see you on the next tutorial.